Hello, my name is also Doliner. Today I'll be showing the circuit for lab 10. Now we begin with the lab 10 circuit. So on the left we have our mux, on the middle a Demux, and on the right we have a 2-bit counter being done by 2 JK flip-flops on this IC. So we begin, we have from left to right MSB to LSB. These are inputs connected to switches, so we have red, blue, black, and white, and red, blue, black, white. So, and this is also being fed 0110. Now, this chip is grounded, powered up here on the side, as well as this one, ground and power. We have the output, the not C output, being passed to the next as an enable input for this Demux. We also have an enable input, which is active low, being fed low for this to work. We also have our counter signal fed into the selector inputs of both chips. So this is from this A and B, this A and B, and then C is grounded on both of them, as you can see here and there by the yellow cable. Now our enables are here for the Demux. This is active low enable, so we just fed a ground, and this is an active high enable, so we just put a high. So this basically, the output of the mux is determining where this one is high or low, or well, not high or low, but active basically, or enabled. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this, except for the outputs. Well, we have everything connected. So this is Y0 to Y3, and we have the cables shown by this color code. So dark brown, red, black, and light brown, and they're exactly the same way over here and the same over there. So now let's look at the 2-bit counter. So we just have J and K, pre and clear, all connected to power. We also have the general power, so BCC power for the circuit, for the IC, sorry. We also have our clock signal, which are, well, in this case it's just being provided by this logic switch, and it's being passed to the internal second flip-flop on this chip. We also have ground here by the green cable. We have our output Q signals, which are red and blue right here. These are also being shown by this 2 LEDs. So this would be this one and this one. So red is LSB, this is Q1, and this is Q2, so this is the MSB. So now let's test how this works. So we're gonna start switching. So remember, this is our not C output, so it's gonna be low whenever the output of the mux is high, so to speak. When it should be, when C is high, then not C is low, so that's the case. So let's just turn this on. We see that this turns low because this is gonna enable the Demux to pass information into Y1. Now when we flip it out, we get a 2, the information passes to Y2. Then this disables, so gets a high, and then we begin back. So that's it for the circuit.